Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Origin Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and go to google.com. Now, in the Google search bar, search for Origin Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Origin Bank. On the right-hand corner, you can see the login option. Click Login and choose the type of account you want to log into. As you want to log into your mortgage account, click Mortgage and it will lead you to the login portal where you can click on this link and press Continue. Now, you will be leaded to the login portal of Origin Bank where you can write down your username, your password, and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Origin Bank mortgage account. If in case you have forgotten your password or your username, these are the links which you want to go through to retrieve back your username and recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, click Register now and then you can create an account for yourself. This is a video on how you can log into your Origin Bank mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.